how to reduce noise in edits. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily enable and disable this noise option. First of all, open the application. Now here in the middle you can see this project icon. Simply tap on project. So this is the project section. Here you can create a new project or open any older ones. Here I'm tapping on my older project. So here on the bottom you can see this editing interface. Here on the left hand side you'll be able to see this voiceover icon. Simply tap on it. So as you can see, this is the reduce noise option. Here you can see the slider. You can adjust it however you want. So this will bring changes in the videos too. Here at last, tap on the stick button and you're all set. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.